some vegan pumpkin soup. In my soup, of course, you're going to need pumpkin, carrots. For the protein, I'm going to use some chickpeas and peanut. You have to have Scotch bonnet pepper as a must. Scallions, celery, sweet potato, yellow yam, corn, Irish potato, ginger, and some herbs. Boil 4 cups of water, and then you add your salt. Of course, you want to peel your pumpkin before you put it in the pot. Well, at least that's how I like to do it. But whichever way you prefer, you can do it that way. Peel your carrots. I like to cut mine like this. You will add those in a minute to the pot. Chop your garlic. Your thyme, mine already I cut off the bottom. Your scallion. Add your pumpkin. Cover the pot so the pumpkin can cook. I like to cook it until it's soft. So we're gonna leave that and we're gonna get back to doing other things. Now it's time to peel the food. Brown provision. My part gone bad there. After peeling, I like to wash them again, because even though I don't know if I'm the only one who stays so, you know, when I get the stuff then before I use them, I wash them, and then after I peel them, I wash them again. That's weird, right? And my chocho I didn't mention this earlier, but I saw it in my fridge and I want to put it in there, so I'm just gonna add it. And soup is a one-pot meal. It's very nutritious. It's mostly drink among Caribbean people, especially on a Saturday. Okay, so as you can see, the pumpkin is already cooked, so we're gonna add the seasonings. I'm gonna add the seasonings now with my Scotch bonnet. Right now I'm going to make the dumplings, so make sure your hands are clean before you do this step. I can't tell you how much water to put, you just have to get the perfect dough. Not too soft, not too stiff. Okay, so I'm going to add the dumplings. You see how nice my soup coming along. I'm going to add the chickpeas and my peanuts. Okay, I'm going to give this a little stir until the water is reduced, then we're good to go. I know it looks like it's going to overflow, but at this point can't do anything. You just have to wait until the water reduces. So you're going to cover it and just leave it right there. See it here? All done. All done. Look how nice and rich my soup is. You guys can see that my soup is ready and ready to go in the belly, right? It looks so nice. See? Jamaica one-pot meal, vegan pumpkin soup. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing plant-based videos. Bye.